The furnace is the most important part of a home's heating system. It keeps the house warm even when it's freezing outside. That's why it's important to choose a new or replacement furnace without costing a fortune. Most of the best furnace brands have been around for decades, and some have been making heat, ventilation, and air conditioning products for more than 100 years. In this video, we'll show you the best furnace brands and give you the information you need to start the search for a new furnace or replace an old one. Take the time to watch until the end so you can find out what each brand has to offer and choose the one that fits your needs and price the best. But before we proceed, feel free to like this video and subscribe. Number 1 is Lennox. Lennox furnaces are known for having a lot of choices, like quieter blower motors and noise-reducing features. In 1895, long before Lennox became an international organization, the company started as a small machine repair shop in Marshalltown, Iowa. Dave Lennox, the company's founder, saw the promise in a new design for a furnace and put money into the patent. Later that same year, he started the Lennox Furnace Company and went to work on improving the design of furnaces. This led to many improvements in heating and cooling systems. Lennox has been in the business of heating and cooling for more than 100 years, so it shouldn't be a surprise that their goods are reliable and do what they say they will do. This innovative business also spends a lot of time making improvements to its furnaces. Some of these improvements include insulation that cuts down on noise and motors with different levels of power. The Lennox SLP99V variable speed gas furnace can operate quietly while running at up to 98.7% efficiency. Number 2 is Trane. Trane has been making gas heaters since the late 1800s, and the company is known for being one of the best heating and cooling experts in the world. Trane started out in 1885 as a plumbing and pipe-fitting business. It wasn't until 1916 that it started making heating and cooling systems. About a decade later, Reuben Trane, the son of the company's father, James Trane, came up with the convector radiator to replace the heavy cast-iron radiators that were popular at the time. This new idea helped build the company's image and lead to its long-term success. American Standard bought Trane in 1984. Trane has always been focused on new ideas and reliable technology, so it's not surprising that its goods tend to be long-lasting, efficient, and full of the latest features. Even though the price at first might be a bit high for some budgets, the investment is worth it in the long run because there are less problems with repairs and upkeep than with competitors. Number 3 is Goodman. Goodman Furnace are known for products of solid build quality and a high level of durability. The company also offers several warranty programs to help safeguard the system against any unexpected issues. Harold V. Goodman started Goodman in 1975 as a company that made flexible air ducts and plastic blade registers. The goal of the company's founder, Harold V. Goodman, was to make heat, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment that was cheap for the average home. In 1982, Goodman bought Janitrol and started making HVAC products. In 1986, it started making gas heating products as well. Goodman is best known for making gas stoves and other heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems that work well and last a long time. When people buy a Goodman product, they can expect a good level of quality for a reasonable price. If there are any doubts about how well the products work, Goodman also has several warranty plans to give customers peace of mind. Number 4 is American Standard. After being founded almost a century ago in 1929, American Standard has gone through several names and owner changes. It started out as the American Radiator and Standard Sanitary Corporation, which was made when the American Radiator Company and the Standard Sanitary Manufacturing Company joined forces. This was the company's name until 1967, when it was changed to American Standard Corporation. American Standard bought the heat, ventilation, and air conditioning company Trane and changed its name to Trane in 2007 after selling off all of its business except for the HVAC part. The company was bought by Ingersoll Rand the following year, but both the Trane and American Standard names are still in business today. People know that American standard furnaces work well and last a long time. However, the starting cost of the furnace may be too high for people with tight budgets. People who buy an American standard furnace will get high-quality heating with less need for repairs and upkeep. Talk of durability and quiet. This American Standard Platinum 95 gas furnace significantly surpasses government efficiency standards with a rating of 97.3%. The initial cost may be higher than other brands. However, American Standard furnaces typically require fewer repairs and maintenance over time. Number 5 is Amana. Owned by Goodman, the Amana brand produces reliable furnaces for the home, as well as heat pumps and air conditioners for a complete heating and cooling system installation. The quiet variable speed motor and an impressive 98% efficiency rating of Amana M97 gas furnace are more than enough to satisfy government energy use regulations and reduce monthly heating bills. Even though Amana started out making commercial walk in coolers in 1934, the company slowly began to make a wide range of goods, including heat, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. But when Goodman bought Amana in 1997, it only kept the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning part of the business. The home goods part of the business was sold to Maytag. So even though they have the same brand name, Amana stoves, microwaves, and freezers are made by a different company than Amana furnaces and air conditioners, Amana's products have stayed pretty much the same over the years, with a focus on stability and a wide range of products so that customers don't have to buy HVAC equipment from more than one company. Amana furnaces are cheap and won't hurt your wallet as much as American Standard or Trane furnaces, so users can update their systems for less money. Number 6 is Bryant. The Bryant brand is named after the founder, Charles Bryant. He started the company over a century ago, in 1904, investing in reliable innovations and quality materials to build the Bryant name and expand the company's product offerings over the years. The long operation of the Bryant brand has given the company a great reputation with professionals, and consumers can expect a high level of knowledge from Bryant employees when trying to decide on the best furnace for their home. Bryant offers a wide variety of heat, ventilation, and air conditioning products, expanding to include air conditioners, boilers, ductless systems, and geothermal heat pumps, so consumers can choose the specific setup they want for their home. Bryant furnaces are known for their high efficiency ratings and innovative integration systems, like the Bryant Hybrid Heat System, which allows the heating and cooling configuration of the home to include both a gas furnace and a heat pump. With the Bryant Evolution 98 gas furnace, users get up to 98.3% fuel efficiency, and the unit boasts a hybrid heat system that can operate in a combined gas furnace and heat pump configuration. Number 7 is Carrier. Currently based in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, Carrier was established as the namesake brand of Willis Carrier over a century ago in 1915. He started the independent manufacturing and distribution company in Syracuse, New York, to produce heating, ventilating, and air conditioning systems, though Carrier has since expanded the product offerings to include commercial refrigeration, food service equipment, and fire and security products. The top quality Carrier furnaces aren't cheap, but they are more affordable than some premium brands, so consumers can achieve the same level of quality for a reduced price. These long-lasting furnaces range from low-efficiency units with 80% fuel efficiency to high-efficiency systems that can exceed 98% efficiency, giving users a range of performance and price options to suit their needs. The Carrier Energy Star Certified Infinity 98 gas furnace provides users with long-lasting heat and fuel efficiency of up to 98.5%. Number 8 is Rheem. The Rheem Classic Plus Series gas furnace is ideal for residents of California due to the clean furnace emissions that allow it to pass the South Coast Air Quality Management District Rule 1111, demonstrating the low level of nitrogen oxide produced and released by the unit. Founded by brothers Richard and Donald Reim in 1930, when they bought out Pacific Galvanizing, Rheem didn't actually begin manufacturing heating systems for the home until 1956. Before this period, the company was known as the largest manufacturer of automatic water heaters in the United States, though it slowed production during World War II to focus efforts on wartime products. With the success of its home heating systems, Rheem decided to purchase the Ruud brand in 1960 and has used both brands ever since to manufacture top-quality furnaces. Rheem furnaces are a reliable option with a moderate price, making them a popular choice for families who want high-quality features but lack the budget for a premium product. While these furnaces are built to last, they are also made with an environmentally conscious mindset, ensuring high efficiency and low emissions. Although Rheem is best known for their boilers and hot water heaters, they also offer top-quality furnaces. Number 9 is Ruud. Ruud furnaces and heating units are recognized for being long-lasting, durable, and of high quality. Edwin Ruud founded the Ruud Manufacturing Company in 1897 to produce automatic water heaters, and then Rheem bought the company in 1960. Since that time, the brand has continued to operate with the goal of producing quality furnaces, air conditioners, hot water heaters, and other HVAC equipment. Consumers interested in Ruud furnaces can rely on the brand's nearly 125 years of experience in the heat, ventilation, and air conditioning business to produce durable units that last for a long time with minimal repairs. While this doesn't mean the furnaces are maintenance-free, it is a sign of a high-quality product that reliably provides heat to the home in frigid winter conditions. The Ruud Econet Ultra Series gas furnace can both heat and protect the home due to its blocked drain sensor, which will automatically turn off the furnace if it detects a blockage to prevent spillage and avoid potential water damage. I hope this list was helpful for you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when we drop our next video.